Here the given problem is, if minus 4 is a common root for the quadratic equation 2x square plus px plus 8 equal to 0 and p of x square plus x plus k equal to 0, then find the value of k. And here given the two quadratic equations 2x square plus px plus 8 equal to 0, and the another quadratic equation is p of x square plus x plus k equal to 0. For these two quadratic equations, minus 4 is a common root. Then we want to find the value of k. So for finding the value of k, first here p value there, so we want to find the p value. So for p value finding purpose, we want to take the first quadratic equation. The first quadratic equation 2x square plus px plus 8 equal to 0 to minus 4 is common root given. So that minus 4 common root, if we substitute, we get the p value. Then that p value substitute here, and the common root is also substitute, we get the value of k. So in this manner we find the k value. Okay, so we taking the first quadratic equation, given quadratic equation 2x square plus px plus 8 equal to 0. Now it has minus 4 is a common root, so it has a root minus 4. So if we substitute minus 4, we get this one is equal to 0. That means this minus 4 substitute in the place of x. So 2 into minus 4 whole square plus p into minus 4 plus 8 equal to 0. Now minus 4 whole square is 16. So 2 into 16 plus p into minus 4p is minus 4p plus 8 equal to 0. 2 16 ja 32 minus 4p plus 8 equal to 0. 32 plus 8 is nothing but 40. So plus 40 equal to 0. So plus 40 transferring to RHS, that is nothing but minus 40. So minus 4p is equal to 0 minus 40 is minus 40. Then p equal to multiplication minus 4 is transferring to that side, that is division. That means minus 40 by minus 4. So minus minus gets cancelled, 4 1 ja 4 tens. So p value is 10 we get. Now the next another quadratic equation to this one substituting. So the given another quadratic equation p of x square plus x plus k equal to 0. Now here in the place of p, now we have a chance to substitute 10. So 10 into x square plus x plus k equal to 0. Now here the quadratic equation 10 of x square plus x plus k equal to 0 has a root minus 4. So if minus 4 is a root of this quadratic equation, then 10 into minus 4 whole square plus of minus 4 plus k equal to 0. So minus 4 whole square is nothing but 16, plus into minus is minus 4 plus k equal to 0. 16 minus k, 16 minus 4 is nothing but 12. So 10 12s 120. So 120 plus k equal to 0. Then plus 120 is transferred to RHS, that is minus 120. So 0 minus 120 is minus 120. Therefore k value is minus 120. Okay, so now we get p value as 10 and k value as minus 120. Here given the problem is it possible to design a rectangular mango groove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. So first the given information to write as quadratic equation. The quadratic equation to nature of the roots we have to find. So is it possible? Then find its length and breadth. So for writing the quadratic equation, so first the given information to writing. So here given a rectangular mango groove there, and that too length is twice to its breadth. So the rectangular mango groove, rectangular mango groove breadth will be taking as x meters, then its length equal to twice to breadth, that is 2x meters. That one feeling. Then the area of the rectangular mango groove is given as 800 meters square. So area of the rectangle is nothing but length into breadth, that means 2x into x equal to 800. 2x into x is nothing but 2x square equal to 800. Now this multiplication 2 is transferring this side, that is nothing but division. So 800 by 2, 800 by 2 is equal to 400. So 2 ones, 2 fours. So x square equal to 400, then x equal to under root 400. Under root 400 means that is nothing but plus or minus 20. That means here we have a chance to take plus 20 or minus 20. But we are saying about the sides of the rectangular mango groove. That means we want to take as positive number only. That means plus 20 only. Therefore, the rectangular mango groove breadth x equal to 20 meters, length 2x equal to 2 into 20, that is nothing but 40 meters. Okay, so here if we want to write this information as quadratic equation and then only find the roots means, now here 2x square equal to 800k. Now this plus 800 is transferred to this side, that is minus 800. So 2x square equal to 800, then 2x square minus 800 equal to 0. Now if we finding the roots for first comparing with quadratic equations general form, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a is x square coefficient equal to 2 and b is the x coefficient. Here x coefficient is not there, that means 0, and c equal to constant term, that is minus 800. Now finding the nature of the roots, that means we find the discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac. So b equal to 0. So 0 square minus 4ac. So 4 into a equal to 2 into c equal to minus 800. 0 square equal to 0. 4 2 ja 8. 8 into 800, that is nothing but 6400. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 6400. So b square minus 4ac equal to 6400. Now, so we find the roots. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So it has roots. So now the roots we have to find. The roots are real and distinct. It has real and distinct roots. Now finding through principle x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that equal to minus b. So minus of 0 plus or minus under root 6 b square minus 4ac is nothing but 6400 by 2 into a equal to 2. So minus 0 means that is nothing but 0 plus or minus root 6400 is 80 by 2 to the 4. That means 0 plus or minus 80 is nothing but plus or minus 80 only by 4. So 80 by 4 means that is nothing but plus or minus 20. So here also we get x equal to plus or minus 20 only. That means here we taking only x equal to plus 20. So in any one method we get the same result only. The given problem, the sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the above situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. So now the given information to write as quadratic equation. The quadratic equation to solving is possible, then find the ages of the two friends given. So that quadratic equation to nature of the roots we find it. So for finding that one, before we have to write the given information as quadratic equation. So here given sum of the ages of two friends equal to 20 years. So we feel let the first friend's age equal to x years, then the second friend's age that is nothing but 20 minus x. Why? Because both friends sum of the ages is 20 given, that means 20 minus x. Now here given 4 years ago. So 4 years ago age of first friend that means before. So x minus 4 years second friend's age that is 20 minus x minus 4, that is nothing but 20 minus 4 equal to 16. So 16 minus x years. Now here given 4 years ago the product of their ages is 48. So given product of their ages equal to 48. That means x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48. That means x is multiply with 16 minus x minus 4 is multiplying with 16 minus x. Now first multiplying x with 16 minus x, x into 16 equal to 16x, x into minus x equal to minus x square, minus 4 into 16 equal to minus 64, minus 4 into minus x is plus 4x equal to 48. Now so plus 16x plus 4x is nothing but my plus 20x. So minus x square plus 20x minus 64 equal to 48. Now these LHS all values are transferring to RHS. Now minus x square is transferred, means that is plus x square. So x square minus 20x is transferred, means plus 20, plus 20x is transferred, means minus 20x, minus 64 is transferred to, that is plus 64, and here plus 48 there. So 48 plus 64, that is nothing but 112. So x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now here is it possible above situation, then find the ages asked. Now here we get the quadratic equation x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. Now this one comparing with the general form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to x square coefficient equal to 1, b equal to x coefficient, that is minus 20, c equal to constant term 112. Now so the nature of the roots now we finding, that means we want to find the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac equal to b equal to minus 20. So minus 20 whole square minus 4ac, 4 into a equal to 1 and c equal to 112. So b square, so that means 420 square, 20 square equal to 400 minus 4 into 1 equal to minus 4, minus 4 into minus plus 112, that is nothing but 448. So 400 minus 448, that means it is minus 48. So minus 48 is less than 0, that means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Less than 0 means the roots are, the zeros are imaginary. It has imaginary roots. Imaginary roots means we have not chance to find. That means here the above situation is possible, then find the ages asked. So by using this information, we can't find the ages of two friends. The given problem, is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Comment on your answer. That means here asked, for a rectangular park has perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square is possible, then find the length and breadth. By observing the answers of length and breadth, comment how like the rectangular park that is given. Okay, so now we have to write the given information to as a quadratic equation, then find the nature of the roots. Is it possible, then find length and breadth, that is here given. So first we fill the rectangular park's length and breadth. So let rectangular park breadth be equal to x meters, then its length L equal to y meters, and here given perimeter of rectangular park that is 80 meters given. So rectangle to perimeter is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B equal to 80 given. So here L is nothing but y and B is nothing but x equal to 80. Now multiplication 2 is transferring to RHS, that is nothing but division. So x plus y equal to 80 by 2. 80 by 2 is 40. So x plus y equal to 40. Now plus x transferring to RHS. Now we can write y equal to 40 minus x. Now the length of the rectangular park is 40 minus x meters. Now given the area of rectangular park is 400 meters square given. Now area of rectangle is nothing but L into B. So L into B equal to 400. L means length, that is y. Y is nothing but 40 minus x. B is x. So 40 minus x into x equal to 400. So 40 minus x into x, that means 40 into x equal to 40x minus x into x is nothing but minus x square equal to 400. Now minus x square is transferred to that side, that is plus x square, plus 40 is transferred to that side, minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Now here we get the quadratic equation x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. Now this one, comparing with the general form of the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now here a is equal to x square coefficient 1, b equal to x coefficient, that is minus 40, c equal to constant term, that is 400. Now comparing with the roots, that means discriminant, if we find, then b square minus 4ac, that is equal to b equal to minus 40. So minus 40 whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into a equal to 1 and c equal to 400. Minus 40 whole square is equal to 1600, minus 4 into 1 equal to 4, 4 into 400 equal to 1600. 1600 minus 1600 is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That means the quadratic equation x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0 has two real and equal roots there. So it has real and equal roots. So by the quadratic formula, if we finding the roots, that means x value, x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So here b value is nothing but minus 40 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac. So here we find b square minus 4ac is 0 by 2 into a equal to 1. Minus of minus 40 is nothing but 40 plus root 0 is nothing but 0 by 2. So plus or minus 0, 40 is add or subtract with 0, we get 40 only. So 40 by 2, 40 by 2 is nothing but 20. So the breadth of the rectangular park. So breadth of the rectangular park x equal to 20 meters. Next, length of the rectangular park. We taken as y. So y is nothing but 40 minus x. So that means x is here 20. That means 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20 is nothing but 20 only. That means here the rectangular park length and breadth, if we observe, both were 20 meters only came. That means the rectangular park is in the shape of square. That is only comment on your answer asked. Therefore the rectangular park is in square shape. For the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, has finding the roots through quadratic formula, then the x value is nothing but minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. That means they are nothing but minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now if these two roots to add are product, what we will get? Now we observing. So sum of the roots, that means minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a plus minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now for the two fractions, if we observe, the same denominator 2a is there, so they are like fractions, so directly add or subtract the numerators, that means minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac. Now plus into minus is minus only, so minus b plus into minus is minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here minus b, that is nothing but minus 2b root b square minus 4ac minus root b square minus 4ac, both are with same values but negative symbols opposite, so that purpose they will be cancelled. That means minus 2b by 2a, 2 gets cancelled, that is nothing but minus b by a. So sum of the roots is minus b by a. So minus b, that b is nothing but the x coefficient and a is nothing but the x square coefficient. So sum of the roots of quadratic equations is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Now if we do the product of roots, that means now these two values to multiplication doing, so minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here if we observe the numerator, that is minus b plus root b square minus 4ac minus b minus root b square minus 4ac, that means it is nothing but in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is nothing but a square minus b square. So by using that formula, now here if we apply, that is minus b whole square minus of under root b square minus 4ac whole square by 2a into 2a, that is nothing but 2a whole square. So minus b whole square is b square minus of under root b square minus 4ac whole square, that means square to root cancel, that is nothing but b square minus 4ac by 2a whole square is 4a square. So minus of b square minus 4ac, that means minus to multiplication, minus into plus b square is minus b square, minus into minus 4ac is plus 4ac. So b square minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square, b square minus b square same values with negative symbol, that means they will be cancelled, that means 4ac by 4a square. So 4 gets cancelled, a once cancel, that means we get c by a. So product of the roots is nothing but c by a. So c is nothing but here the constant term, a is x square coefficient. So we can write product of roots equal to constant term by coefficient of x square. So here sum of the roots is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, product of roots equal to constant term by coefficient of x square we get. So if we remember the quadratic, the polynomials to also zeros finding, they are also get sum of the zeros equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square only, product of zeros equal to constant term by coefficient of x square only. That means quadratic polynomial and the quadratic equation both are same only, but just equal to 0 is the difference for the equation and polynomial too. Given the problem, find the sum and product of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4 root 3x plus 9 equal to 0. So here to given the quadratic equation is x square minus 4 root 3x plus 9 equal to 0. Now comparing with the general form of the quadratic equation, a is x square coefficient equal to 1, b is x coefficient that is nothing but minus 4 root 3 and c constant term equal to 9. Our to ask to find sum and product of the roots. So sum of the roots that is nothing but minus b by a, that equal to minus of minus 4 root 3 by a is 1. So minus of minus 4 root 3 is plus 4 root 3 by 1, that equal to 4 root 3. So sum of the roots is nothing but 4 root 3. Next product of the roots finding. So product of roots is equal to c by a. So c is constant term that is 9 and a is x square coefficient is 1. So 9 by 1 is 9. So sum of the roots and product of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 4 root 3x plus 9 equal to 0 are 4 root 3 and 9. Here given the problem, write the quadratic equation whose roots are 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So given roots of quadratic equation are 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So now we find the sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of the roots that is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So 2 plus 2 equal to 4 plus root 3 minus root 3 with negative symbol but same, that means they will be cancelled. Next product of the roots that equal to 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, it is nothing but in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So here a equal to 2, b equal to root 3. That means 2 square minus root 3 whole square. So 2 square equal to 4, root 3 whole square equal to 3. So 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So now we get sum of the roots equal to 4, product of the roots equal to 1. So now if we apply this one, now the quadratic equation is if sum of the zeros and product of the zeros given, that is nothing but x square minus of sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So here x square minus of sum of the roots is 4 into x plus product of the roots is nothing but 1 equal to 0. 4 into x is nothing but 4x. So x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. It is the required quadratic equation for the roots are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Okay. Thank you.